Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be answering the next 4 questions of NEET 2019 Biology. For the first 4 questions, I provided the link in the description box. So let's start. The fifth question is, the concept of Omnis cellula acellula regarding cell division was first proposed by Rudolf Virchow, Theodor Schleiden and Aristotle. See, Omnis cellula acellula means that cells come from pre-existing cells. This statement was proposed in the modern cell theory, which was proposed by Rudolf Virchow. Now, there is a difference between cell theory and modern cell theory. Cell theory was proposed by Theodor Schwann and Schleiden, whereas modern cell theory was proposed by Rudolf Virchow. So the answer to this question is Rudolf Virchow. Question 6. What triggers the activation of protoxin to active Bt toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis in bollworm? The options are body temperature, moist surface of midgut, alkaline pH of gut, acidic pH of stomach. C. Bacillus thuringiensis is a biocontrol agent. The Bt spores are sprayed onto the vulnerable plants like cotton, and once the insect or bollworm eats a part of the plant, the Bt toxin enters its gut. This inactive Bt toxin is known as the protoxin. It gets activated due to the presence of alkaline pH of the gut. Once activated, it then ultimately leads to the death of the insect. So, the answer to this question is alkaline pH of the gut, which triggers the activation of protoxin to active Bt toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis. Moving to the next question. Identify the correct pair representing the causative agent of typhoid fever and the confirmatory test for typhoid. The options are Plasmodium vivax, UTI test, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Vidal test, Salmonella typhi, Anthrax test, Salmonella typhi, Vidal test. See, Plasmodium vivax is responsible for causing malaria. Streptococcus pneumoniae causes pneumonia. Salmonella typhi causes typhoid. Now we are left with option 3 and 4. Anthrax test is test for carbohydrates and Vidal test is the confirmatory test for typhoid. Therefore, the answer to this question is Salmonella typhi Vidal test. Moving to the next question. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has overall masculine development, gynecomastia, and is sterile? The options are Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Edwards syndrome, Downs syndrome. See, Turner syndrome is because of lack of one X chromosome in human females. Klinefelter syndrome is because of an extra copy of X chromosome in human males, which lead to overall masculine development, gynecomastia, and sterility. Edwards syndrome is because of trisomy of chromosome number 18, while Down syndrome is because of trisomy of chromosome number 21. So, the genetic disorder in which an individual has overall masculine development, gynecomastia, and is sterile is Klinefelter syndrome. That's all for the day. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.